Hello, here's what's moving the markets. Donald Trump comments on the Fed again. Mario Draghi took aim at Donald Trump's comments at the Fed. And the US has been impacted by its own trade policy. Okay, let's break down the developing stories. Asian stocks closed in the positive as hopes of a trade deal are close and lending data out of China came out positive. Japan will begin a 10-day break from trading. A strong start to Q1 earnings season. US bank earnings from Friday began on a positive as JP Morgan Chase revenues was better than expected. More to come from the banking sector today. We have Goldman Sachs and Citigroup will announce their earnings today. Mario Draghi sounded alarms over the independence of the Federal Reserve as Donald Trump continues to criticize the Fed's policy. Trump said the recent rate rises have significantly impacted stocks which would have been 5,000 points higher without the rate changes. Draghi had stuck to his message that an upturn in the European economy is still possible in the second half of 2019. Comments from the Treasury Secretary, Steven Mnuchin, indicate that the US and China are getting close to an accord. The US is pushing for global growth as demand has been impacted by its own trade policies. According to Mnuchin, if the US failed to live up to promises made in a trade deal, this could have a severe impact on US growth. Even so, a reprise is expected as US soften demands on China for reducing industrial subsidies as condition for a trade deal. Both sides have made it clear that they are close to the final round. The IMF had wrapped up their meeting over the weekend and stated that global expansion continues but at a weaker pace than anticipated. They added that risks remain tilted to the downside but sees global growth firming next year. The UK government is preparing to talk about the customs union. This would allow the government and Labour to agree on a binding mechanism for a way forward as a compromise. Looking ahead, mostly Tier 2 data releases, but the focus will be on comments from Fed's Evans and Bank of England's Haskell. From corporates, we have earnings from IBM, Johnson & Johnson, Netflix, and Bank of America. Please do like and comment on this video with your opinions. Also subscribe to our free weekly newsletter and receive updates direct to your inbox. If you would like our premium market analysis at the market open, along with other benefits such as market reports and trade ideas at the right time, join the membership and trade with a market analyst. More info in the bio. I will see you on the next Traders Report. Have a good trading day.